How to fix iPhone speaker volume very low error on your iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix your volume very low on your iPhone. Well, without ado, let's get straight into the video. What you can do is you can open up settings first. Once you open up settings, you want to head into the sounds option, sounds and haptics, as you can see here. Now here you want to drag the ringer and alert slider back and forth a few times. If it still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is here now you want to make sure that you're updated to the latest version. So head over to your device and you can head into general, under it software update, and check if the update is available, and you want to make sure that you're updated to the latest version, which will fix any glitches or bugs or issues with your iPhone. Now if it still persists, then you might want to check for hardware. So you might want to visit the nearest store and check if there is any problem with the hardware. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.